Hello again. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about HTML element called div and span tag. The div tag is an empty container that is used to define a division or a section. It does not affect the content or layouts and is used to group HTML elements to a style with CSS and manipulated with scripts. Now to write div tag, I'm going to start with div tag and move to span tag. To write my div tag can only be written inside body. I'm going to write div like this, div, div, and close it with greater than. So the div tag comes in pairs, that is one, two pairs, one, two, and whatever you want to add can be added inside the div tag. I'm going to copy this and place it inside div tag. Now the next thing I want to do is to add style to my div tag. I want to add inline style. Don't worry, I'll talk about this later. I want to set the background color to be maybe beige or azure. And I want the this header to be welcome. And I want to add paragraph. This is a paragraph tag and it can only appear in two pairs as well. I'll show you the one that will appear that can only be in a pair, that can be written on a single line, just like this. Okay, what I want to type here is welcome to web development. Hope you like your page. I'm going to save and view this in a browser. I'm going to use Open with Live server. If you notice that we now have background color of Azure. Now let's change the background color to something more conspicuous. Let's use blue. Don't worry, we're not going to be doing it that way. I just want to show you some of the tags in HTML. If you can familiarize yourself with the tags in HTML, then you're good to go. The next one I want to do is to add span to this. To do that, I want to do something here. I want to add tag called span. And I want to give the style a name. Span, then style equals color. The color of the text equals let's make it red. I'll close the tag and I will type this is nice. This is span tag. Now if I save this and go back to my browser, you will notice that within the same line, I can actually color out a particular area. For instance, if I want to color out development, I'll put span here and here, just like this. I want to color development just to make it more um, visible or conspicuous. I'll copy this and put it here. I can even style it in any format. I can add my own format. I can do all sort of things with this. Don't worry, we're going to be using a number of HTML tags, and you get yourself up and running within minutes. Now, you may be tempted to say, oh, why can't I nest this paragraph? This is called paragraph, and it is not advisable to nest paragraph inside this paragraph. You can as well use span to do that. So you can create another paragraph. Of course, if you like, you can do this. It will work very well inside paragraph. I'll go back to this and it will be here. Now let's do something here. Let's take this paragraph, I'll cut it and place it somewhere around this place. I'll save and go back. What did you notice? It shows that this will automatically break down to another line because this will be treated as a paragraph. That is why you can't use paragraph inside paragraph if you are writing a long text. So I'm going to cut off this and put it. Alternatively, use span. So the text will still continue. Maybe you just want them to you want to add breakpoint and all that. Now, suppose I want to make this bold. To do that in HTML, there's a tag called B, which is bold. With this now, this like will be bold. Let's save and go back to our browser. You'll notice that this is different from all other uh, fonts. In the next video, we're going to be talking about links and more tags. Thank you.